Hello guys, today I'm back in Gorilla Tag? This is not Gorilla Tag. Yo, what the hell? How do you get that skin? Yo, he has mods. Girl, what? There's nobody. Yo, who are you? Who are you? Let me juke you. What the hell? Wait, what the hell? What? How can I get out claws? Nike. The hell? Yo, dude, how do you get mod? What the? How you become a grandma? What the hell? This is not gonna You know what? Let me just run. So anyway, what the hell? Is that frying pan? Girl, wait, what the hell? How do you get a frying pan? Yo, was that a new cosmetic? Is that a new cosmetic? Oh my god, wait, I have to wear hair remove. I don't know, that's a new cosmetic. Actually, how is that? They added a new cosmetic, a frying pan? I don't know if you ever had that, but that's sick. Yo. They added a frying pan to Gorilla. Wait, it's not Gorilla Tag. There's claws. What the hell? Why is there a fish? A tank? Why can't I go in it? Why can't I swim in the water? Let me see what the robot is. Oh my god, can you hold it? It's free. Whoa, this is so worth it. I forgot this is not Gorilla Tag. What is it? Explore. Okay, let me just rock climb. Yo, it's really like this good at rock climbing. The balloon. What is How did I pop it? A fish. Oh crap. Oh wow. What is this? It's a holiday ball again? Oh crap, I dropped it. I don't know. He's happy. Do not go near me. I have bread. I have bread in Gorilla Tag?
You're getting far from me.
I have bread. Help me. Okay. Bread. Bread attack. Girl, what is that big beauty cheek? What the hell? I'm about to fly. Ew, that booty cheek is huge. Girl, look at that beauty. Yeah. So now, oh gosh, he's angry. Hi, you don't see me. Oh, I think I can juke her. That was maybe a little far. I think her booty cheeks are. I think a little less bigger. Can I climb walls? I think, oh my god, I can climb walls. What is this? Yo, what is this? Yeah. Whoa. I don't know. That was not me. Gotta break that wall. Whoa. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm a cat. Let's watch. What the heck? Balloon. Balloon. You guys, watch the full video. Watch the full video when it comes out, okay? Watch the full video when it comes out. Okay guys, watch the full video. If y'all want to see the full video, watch it when it comes out.